Have you ever wondered how to clean your air conditioner filters like a pro? Let our witty orange cat guide you through it. Striking a confident pose, she reminds you that clean filters mean better air quality. Now grab a screwdriver because it's time to unscrew the front panel. With a flick of her paw, she carefully removes the filter, easy peasy. Next, she vacuums it gently. Yes, even cats can pretend to vacuum. Then it's bath time. A little warm, soapy water works wonders. Just let it soak while she playfully juggles her paws in the bubbles. After a good rinse, it's time to dry. No one likes a soggy filter, she chuckles. Finally, reinstall it with a triumphant flip of her tail. Voila, your air conditioner is ready to keep things cool with crisp, fresh air.